everybody. Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to the countdown for Christmas, December 13th. We are counting down to Christmas with the Advent calendar from Spellbinders Paper Crafts. So, our paper arts crafty calendar. Got to get all those words in. Welcome. I'm glad that you're here wearing my new official junk rescuer sweatshirt. This is on my site where I sell t-shirts, and it's so cute, and this shirt is so warm. Oh my goodness. Yes, so I am an official junk rescuer for my junk journaling. So, you know, I'm thinking of doing, side note, yes, chasing a rabbit, I'm thinking of doing a month where we do like a trash to treasure into junk journaling. Not just trash, but things that can be put into a junk journal. I think that would be a fun one, but that's not January's. Okay, let's jump in. Don't forget to go enter the giveaway. Don't miss it. December 1st video, you can enter a giveaway to win one of those amazing prizes back there. Yes, there's a mini sewing machine, 2 advent calendars, and some other fun stuff. So make sure you enter. Let's check out day 13's door and see if it's indeed dies. All right, here we go. Day 13 is here, and it is a nice little square door-ish, square-ish, rectangular, actually. So this is our door here, right here on the side, and we're gonna see. Oh, looks like we've got some words. Are they stamps or what? They are stamps, not dies this time. Little stamps. Now these would be great for little thank you cards or little notes. It says from me to you. Oh, this is perfect. Hello, merci, hola, ciao, thanks, gracias, and bonjour. So really nice. Okay, well, from me to you. So that would be fun to make our, what did I tell you the other day? Gift tags. So this is one of the freebies that's available. Now it's available in my Ko-Fi shop, but it's in my group. You get that first, or Patreon or YouTube members. So we're going to cut these. These are vintage Santas, and we're going to make some tags out of them and use them for Christmas presents. That way you don't have to buy anything. And then we can stamp from me to you on there. That will be fun. All right. I cut all my Santas out. So these will make really, really cute little tags. Don't you think? Now, I did cut this one round and the rest are square. This one almost fit, so I think I might just leave it. I think it'll be all right. So all you need to do to make your tags would be to embellish if you want to, and then you can stamp on from me to you. That's what I'm going to use anyway, so that I can put the use of these fine stamps into a Christmas element. So I have my rock-a-block here, and I didn't evidently get the blue off of it the other day. All right, now let's see if these stamps need primed or not. I'm not sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these out of the way, and I'm just going to stamp onto some white paper, and then I will cut it down. So we're just using some black ink. You could use any color that you want. Now I'm going to stamp towards the right of the paper, so that if I want to use this, oh, it comes out really nice. If I want to use this and punch a hole in it and hang it from the gift tag instead of putting it on the back, that is my thought anyway. So I'm going to stamp several of them onto this cardstock. I feel like I'm making a Santa list or something. So I have more than I need, right? But if you didn't want to do it that way, you could stamp it on the back. Let's see. See if it'll fit there. Yeah. So we'll just do it on the back of this one. Not all the way to the top. just right here, because we want to punch a hole in the top. So, and then you could also write the name of the person it's from and who it's to. Okay, so then to make the tags, really simple. Just, I choose to outline the tag to give it a little depth, and sometimes I will add a little glitter or shimmer or something to it just because I like to do that. So I'm just going to take a little red here, and I think I'm going to round the corners. I don't have my corner rounder. This is a different one. So we'll try this one and see. Oh, that's cute. I haven't used it much. It rounds, it doesn't just round the corner. It makes it look kind of like a, I don't know what's that called. 3-way corner rounder. Okay. All right. So, then I'm going to take the red and I'm just going to hit the edges of this tag. This can be your ephemera too. So I'm just going to do that and then punch a hole. Now you could punch it to the side, to the top, however you want. You can mark it if you want to, in case you get it over to the side a little too much. And I think I'm just going to use some red. And this one, remember, we put it on the back. And I'm just going to tie it a little red. And then do the same for all the tags. And then for the ones that I want to add this to, I'm just going to cut it off here, and I'm going to punch a hole in on this side. So I'll show you what I mean. Here. There we go. And then we'll just put that with this one. So we'll have to punch a hole here at the top for Santa. Okay. Now I'll just use the red since I have it right here at my hand. And don't you love how the color around the edges just gives some depth to everything? All right, so we're just going to do this little. All right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take our ribbon, so we can use this one. We're just going to hang, let me do this. Let's add a little sparkle to this guy's hat and beard and everything. So this is my crystal sparkle pen. I love it. And we'll go over this too. And then we'll add a little sparkle in his beard and hair. And of course we have to add a little sparkle to his eyes because poem says he had a sparkle in his eye, right? I don't know if you can see it, but I really like it. Okay, and then on here, what we'll do is we'll just add it to our ribbon, tie it on there, and let it kind of hang so it is loose and can be moved like that. So from me to you, and you can write on the back. So there's Santa. So that's all you have to do for all of these to make your own tags and add your from me to you, and there you go. And here are all the little gift tags from me to you. You can put the name on the person. It might be on the back. Just having fun with these Santa ephemera and making them into gift tags to use on your gifts. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Tomorrow, day 14, is where? Right here. I'm guessing dies. What do you guys think? Anyway, have a great evening. Bye-bye.